It's been a while since I made a video about on YouTube about anything political or any such thing, and I wanted to make another one because Arizona's law has come under fire from uh, the President of the United States to the Mexican President to several other people that nobody really cares about. Um, but I kind of find it funny that people are saying, well, this law is discriminatory, they're not going to do blah, 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 blah. If you read the law, this is what happens. They pull you over. You don't have your license on you. By the way, this has happened to me in Texas. I didn't have my license on me, and I was driving, and I knew I didn't have my license because I left it at home. I had a license, but I left it at home. And so I got pulled over. Um, you see a cop and you're starting to freak out and going, I don't want to get pulled over, especially right now. It's not my day. And so I started hitting the white line, and he pulled me over, and he's like, "Are you okay? Have you been drinking?" And I was like, "No, I'm 19," as if that excuses why I'd be drinking. Um, but I wasn't drinking, and he asked for my license and registration for my car, and I had the registration for my car, just not the license. So he went back to his car. He said, "Just a second, what's your?" He asked me my name. I gave it to him. He went back to his car, ran my name, found out I had a valid driver's license, and I was like, "Yeah, I live at home." And he was like, "Okay, you need to. This is warning, but you need to go home, and you don't need to be leaving your license at home." Um, I don't know of anybody that has been stopped in Texas or any other state because they're a different color. Now, I'm pretty sure there are going to be some people that come out and say, "Oh, he stopped me because I was black." And the cop's black. I really have a hard time going, yeah, he's racist. Gets his own people. Just like I hate whites. But you really need to lay off the racist claims because people are beginning to do this. I'm racist? What? Oh, is that all you got? I mean, you're doing it to the Tea Party too. Come on. This is ridiculous. We shouldn't have to go through this every election, every time an issue comes up, where somebody just goes, "Oh, you're a racist because you support so and so." Oh, you don't support so and so. Come on. Get off the case. Most of these people aren't racist. Now, if you believe they're racist, that's fine. Go ahead and believe that America is racist. Even though it even says in the Declaration of Independence, one of the founding documents, all men are created equal. Now, granted, the Constitution even has the three-fifths kind of thing and all that. We still did free the slaves later. Bad story, a bad thing happened, and, it got fixed. America fixes its own problems. And illegal immigration is America's problem. It needs to be fixed. Whether you think it's racist or not, we do have an illegal immigration problem. And by the way, down south of the border, even if you're Mexican, we all know that there are kidnappings going on, there's violence. By the way, there are cops coming back saying, "Yeah, we got shot at, and they were across the border, but they were shooting at us, but we can't return fire." Somebody needs to tell them. And I mean, I don't care if the president doesn't say okay. If I was the governor of Texas, I'd be going, "They're shooting at you? Shoot back. Protect yourselves." If it comes to a point where you kill somebody on that side of the border, but you're on this side of the border, we're going to claim self-defense. Because that's what it really is. We don't want violence. And you know what? We're going to protect ourselves with violence to keep it out. There's a time to fight and a time for peace. And right now, people need to understand, it is a time of fighting. We're at war in Iraq, Afghanistan, and God knows where else next. But that's my opinion. Illegal immigration is illegal. So, you have your fun.